vlogger setup. This is why you tape things off when you spray stuff. That looks terrible.
Stuck at a green light, stopped. Green light, go. Green light means go, but we're stopped.
It's a little scoot scoot. He beeped at me. He did a little scoot scoot beep. That looks like a Volkswagen Jetta pickup truck. I'm pretty sure they made those in Europe, but I don't think they made them in America. Someone can correct me if I'm wrong. Let's see if these El Doggos get angry. Well, they're good. They're good El Doggos. This guy's gonna fly. Not even looking. Not even looking. Oh, Jesus Christ, lady. Let's try it. Yeah, a little bit. Are you guys crossing with your El Doggos? No? He's gonna stand there with holding El Doggo crap? I'll let this guy decide where he's going. And stuff's falling off his truck, so I will hang out here for a second. Oh my God! My arch nemesis, the trash truck. Hey guy. 17 miles an hour guy.